Going, guys? It's Amtrak and L-Scale, and today I just got a nice package in, and I didn't have time to just do the whole cutting process, but I haven't opened it yet, and it's a good thing that I haven't, because all these packing peanuts. Nothing against the seller. There's nothing wrong with a ton of packing peanuts. He did a great job packing it. It's a pain in the ass for me. Oh boy. Alright. That's gonna be fun to clean up. Well, it wasn't that bad. It could have been worse. Okay, so yeah, we just got this bad boy in the mail. It's not very exciting. It's not what you think, really. It's a non-powered unit. So we're not gonna take it downstairs and run it. It is well, what it will become will be very, very cool. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna go grab this dummy here. Proto 2? Huh? Okay. I ordered a dummy, so if this says Proto 2, I'm gonna have to talk to the seller about that. There's nothing wrong with it having Proto 2. I actually want it to have Proto 2. I was gonna convert this non-powered unit to Proto 2 eventually, but I did not pay for a Proto 2 model. I paid a lot less. So I hope this doesn't have Proto 2. Then I'm gonna have to send it back, and that's not fun. No, I'm an honest guy. I'm not gonna just take money from the guy, you know? Like, that'd be a dick move. Alright, we're gonna move that out of the way. That's out of the way. Okay. I'm sorry I have to do this one-handed. This feels like it's a Proto 2 engine. It is a Proto 2 engine. Okay, that's a bit of an issue. I'm gonna have to talk to him about... Wait, hold on. Oh, okay. No, it's not a Proto 2. Thank goodness. It was just... It was heavy enough to where it felt like one. Huh. Very interesting. It's really strange. It's heavier than a normal dummy is. Like this is, well, actually, never mind. It just felt heavy. Oh well. Well, it's good that it doesn't have Proto 2, so now I have to convert it, and that's a good thing. Alright, so yeah, this is the engine we got. This is a P40DC, number 811, and you'll see it doesn't quite match with my era. Obviously, I run Phase V locomotives, and you could get away with doing that, but I'm not gonna do that because I model 2016 to late 2018. It gives me the most variety, and when chargers come out, I can still run those without it being not prototypical, because the chargers did really start entering service in my area around like late 2018, so it works out. Yeah, this is kind of what it looks like up against the other P42 dummy I have. So, big plans for this. So, like I said, this is going to get converted to Proto 2, and it's going to become a powered unit. And, well, before that, actually, before it gets to be a powered unit, I'm going to repaint... Ooh, that's not a good camera shot. Sorry about that. But I'm going to repaint this bad boy as Phase IV Heritage Unit number 184, because one of those doesn't exist yet. So I'm just going to have one of those done. And I believe P42 Amtrak 83, you guys might know him. He's working on getting a... what is it? what is it? It's oh, he's working on an 822 because 822 hasn't been made in O scale yet. Neither has 130. So I'm gonna try and get I'm gonna get a 130. Well, no, it didn't come on the surf line. Never mind. I'm definitely gonna get an 822 and a 145. Get all of the heritage units that are realistic for my era, except 66. And yeah, got big plans for this locomotive in particular. It's going to be 184, and that gives me a lot of versatility because 184 frequently was seen on surfliner trains for a good amount of time, and then it's also been seen on the Chief very recently, more than a few times. So it's definitely realistic to run it on my railroad. And here's a front view. I'll give you a front view real quick. I'm so sorry. I have to do this one-handed because my mom's busy and, you know, she's got more important things to do than help me out. Much more important things to do. So, looks like he removed the front marker lights, which is not a huge deal. I'm going to convert this anyway. And I'll just use the rear marker lights here for the front marker lights here. And yeah, I'm actually considering, because, you know, this Phase 5 unit is too dark, as you saw in my last video. It's not the right color. I'm gonna probably have that repainted. That's gonna be my 822. So that's gonna work out, actually. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.